Now I will explain how to create Kaggle mind map of art integration for grade 2. After logging to the Kaggle mind map, the first step is to select create diagram. When you select create diagram option, a small box will appear. In that box, you have to type the main concept of art integration. The main concept of art integration for grade 2 is months and season. Here, for the second standard, we are integrated with 5 subjects. So we require five branches. So we have to select 5 branch. Outside the months and season box, you have a plus option. If you select that, you will get a branch. So we require 5 branches. So if you here 4 branches we will get from this box. If you want one more extra, wherever you select the plus button, you will get one extra branch. So we got a 5 branch. So in each branch you have an option called click to edit. If you click on that, first step you have to type your subjects. It is English, Kannada or Hindi, mathematics, science, social. So we have done an art integration with 5 subjects. So you have to mention those 5 subjects till mind map. Next, you have to take a sub branch for each subject. Before that, if you want to insert a box for the subject, you have to do the right click on the text. Next, when you do the right click, you have an option called choose shape. If you click on that, you will get a different types of box. Select any one. Same thing you do for the other subject. Do the right click. Take your cursor, do the right click, then choose shape. Again, take your cursor, do the right click, choose shape. Then you have to select any one shape. Again, same thing, choose shape. Then you have to select any one shape for each subject. Next, if you have to take a sub branch for all the subjects which you are integrated here. First, we will take it for English. In English, you have chosen a topic called vocabulary. So here you have to type vocabulary. Then you have to pre-save your images, what you have done in English activity, or if you have any screenshots, you can even upload that. or you have to take a photo what you have done regarding the vocabulary or English activity. It should be pre-saved. So here in the same box you have a third option called upload an image. So if you click on that, here you have to select your image. It is not same as second standard, just I'm simply showing by taking one example. What they have done, you have to attach here. It will come in the attached. So when you click outside the box, it will appear like an image. If you don't want this outline box, you can remove it. Do the right click. Again, you have to select choose a shape. Next, you have to select this branch symbol. So it will remove that box. Same thing you have to do for Kannada. You have to take a sub branch. Kannada, the activity is action songs. Then again you have to upload an image. Then you have to select an image, open. It will come in the attachment form. If you don't want this box, do the right click. Choose shape, then this branch symbol. Next, same thing you have to do for maths. Take a sub branch. Here for maths we have chosen a topic, chart showing. Next you have to select an option, upload an image. Upload an image. So here you have to select one image, open. It will come in the attachment format. Click out of the box. If you don't want this box, or if you want, you can keep it same, or if you don't want, just do the right click, choose shape, branch symbol. Next, same thing for science. Next, for science, what you have done, the activity you have to type here, that is fancy dress. Again, you have to upload an image. Select the image which you have done an activity regarding that. Then click outside the box. If you don't want this box, you can do the right click. Select the branch symbol. Next, you have to do same thing for social. For social, what you have done the activity, you have to type here, that is chart making. Again, you have to click on upload an image. Then you have to select the pre-saved photo. It should be pre-saved. So here again, if you don't want this box, you can just remove it by clicking on the choose shape. Then you have to select branch symbol. Here you can precise or adjust the branch by moving or by clicking on the text format. Wherever you want to adjust it, you can adjust. If you want to adjust in the sub branch, you have to either you click on the image or with a text. So this is the Coggle mind map for 2nd standard. If you have any idea regarding the Coggle mind map, you can do it. But the concepts what we have taken here, the subject name and the activity name and the photo should be done in the Coggle mind map. But the branch you can arrange however you want. After arranging all this, it will be saved automatically. Then you can download the option. Here you have a download option. Download this Coggle. Top right. So when you click on that or when you select that, you have to select download PDF. It will download in the PDF form. Then you can take a printout of A4 size. So these are the steps to create a Coggle mind map for grade 2. Thank you.